my name is Matt Middleton. I'm from Ashburn, Virginia. I'm a theater arts major. My favorite thing about Furman has to be the people. People are really nice and friendly and always are nice to talk to, especially in the department I work in with theater arts. They're all very welcoming, and it's all very hunky-dory, let's say. Hi, my name is Matt Middleton. I am from Ashburn, Virginia. I am a theater arts major, and my favorite thing about Furman has to be the classes. I love all my professors. Had a very good experience with almost every single one of them, and particularly my theater professors I absolutely love. They're all very fun and cool, and they're awesome. Hi, my name is Matt Middleton. I am from Ashburn, Virginia. I am a theater arts major, and my favorite thing about Furman is the beautiful campus, which has all the swans and stuff, which are really pretty. Sometimes it's a little crazy when they start fighting each other, but I mean, it's cool. And the bell tower is cool, and that's it. Thank you.